आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question we have is x gram of metal gave y gram of its oxide. So equivalent mass of the metal is, so in this question basically we have to find out the equivalent mass of metal. Okay, so from question it is given that weight of metal oxide, okay, it is equals to x gram and weight of oxygen, okay, it is equals to y gram. So from here weight of metal, okay, it is basically equals to x minus y gram, and we have to find out the equivalent mass of metal. Okay, so according to oxide method, weight of metal, okay, further divided by equivalent weight of metal, it is equals to weight of oxygen further divided by equivalent weight of oxygen. Okay, so from here the equivalent weight of metal, it comes out as weight of metal multiplied by equivalent weight of oxygen, okay, and it is further divided by weight of oxygen. Okay, so from here weight of metal, it is equals to x minus y gram, okay, and equivalent weight of this O, it is 8, and it is further divided by weight of oxygen, that is y gram. So here it is y. So these both unit cancel out and it becomes unitless. So the answer comes out as x minus y multiplied by 8 divided by y. Okay, so from here the correct option we have is option number A, and it is the answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।